Hey guys, Wolverine here. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing of some stuff I just got. So here's the box. Let me open it for you. Katana. Okay. Okay, so let's see here. Let's save the big thing for last. Let's open this, the reason why I got this stuff in the first place. Move it down a little bit. Ooh, I like that. I didn't think it would feel like that. Ooh. Man, I think I just fell in love. That's awesome. So, as you can see, it has the samurai handle. It's actually a G10. Feels really good in the hand. Has a nice grip. Has a pocket clip right here. It has a window breaker. And it has a friction folder thing. So pretty cool. It doesn't lock. It's just so when you hold against it, it'll hold in. Actually, it does lock. I just have to break it in, I guess. That's cool. Okay, so now I need to figure out. Okay, so it has a lock mechanism right here. Listen, I push or something. Hold on. Okay, yeah, push. Then it folds. So this was, I think, $10 on Budk. I actually would really advise getting it. That should have built a lot better than I thought it would be. No real blade play. So yeah, I'm gonna find a piece of paper or something. Not sure how sharp it is, but so not too bad. Kind of hard to do. Yeah, not too bad. But it definitely needs sharpened, but still, I really like the knife. It's oiled too, and right here, I'm pretty sure that says Samurai Honor and Courage. That's what it says. And on the back it says stainless steel. So yeah, that's that knife. Let's put that back in the box. Okay, now something I've always wanted to get my hands on. A Zippo. So here's like some labels. It's cool. Has a little seal on it. Let's read it. Warning. Keep away from children. This lighter is not child resistant. Ignite lighter away from face. Wow, really? Read instructions before using. So, let's try to peel this off. I'll leave that sticker on there for now. It shows what number it is. So it's a satin finish. Wait for it to focus. There. Oh, I like that noise. I don't think it has any lighter fluid in it. I don't know. Maybe it doesn't. So, probably gotta put lighter fluid in it. So that's one thing I have to do. It's still pretty cool. I'm just gonna be doing this all day. The noise is so cool. Okay. So now for the final item. Combat fighter knife. Okay. So. Handle feels really cool. So there you are. Kbar Bowie knife thing. USMC. It's pretty cool, actually. It's really contoured to the hand. Nice grip. Got blade guard. Not sure how sharp it is. Yeah. Most of these bigger blades from Budke need you to sharpen the edge just a little bit. So I'll get on that. But that's the last knife. And this was $19.99. And here's the sheath. Leather. I think this is a sharpening stone. That's pretty cool. So those are my knives I just got. Thanks for watching. Bye.